Hi, my name is Viviane Menezes. I'm assistant scientist at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, and I was asked to talk about best practice as an early career scientist. And I would like to share a personal story about that. I'm an observational physical oceanographer, and I have been studying Earth's interaction process in connection with water mass formation and sea surface salinity variability. Most of my work is in the Indian Ocean and its marginal seas, the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. I also did some work in the Southern Ocean. As you can see on my list, I love remote places that are difficult to access and have been historically poorly observed. Observation have been always on my mind, especially in the last few years when I started to question myself, how can I contribute to increase observation in such places? I have read many papers and talked with many colleagues, and I believe that autonomous surface vehicles such as wave gliders and sail drones are a way to get more observation about air-sea interaction process in such remote regions. So when I started as assistant scientist at WHOI, I had to decide how to invest my startup package money. And I have a list with all the pros and all the cons. And I decided to spend my startup package money in a new technology. I decided to put all the money to build a wave glider for air-sea interaction. And I was glad that at the same time I was making this decision, a paper from the Earth Interaction Group from the scripts came out and Frontier in Marine Science. I had the preprint of this paper, and the paper was exactly what I need. Wave glider for Earth interaction. So this is a best practice paper, and it became the blueprint for my own wave glider. So in this paper, the authors describe the scientific payload for a wave glider to collect observation for air-sea interaction. But not only that, they also make comparisons between observation collected with wave glider with more traditional platforms such as moorings and ships. And they show that the quality of the observation collected with wave glider is as good as this other traditional platform. So I was happy to read that, and I hope that in the future, with using best practice, we could have, this is my dream, a virtual network of wave glider and sail drones in regions such as the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, so we can have more observation in these areas. Because if you wanted to understand the Earth climate and to project that, we need much more observation in this region that we neglect for so long. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you around in the OASIS meeting.